What's good, YouTube's boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. The freakiest thing I did on spring break?
I sucked a dick last night.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I ain't gonna lie. So how much you?
4 B's.
4 bands?
4 B's. $400.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
4 B's. $400.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Describe your sex life with a song title.
Throw baby.
Oh, wow.
Jamaican? Just
Yeah, man, I had man. Straight Jamaican. Yeah, what?
go suck your ass.
No, yo.
Wait, I say no, my girl.
What y'all getting? What you getting?
Dick.
I don't think they sell that here.
Best orgasm. What was it, with yourself or with someone else?
Myself, as in like if I beat my meat.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna be real on the camera, fam. Sometime by myself.
Oh, wow.
You feel me? Fuck it. It's cool, but I know how to get, you know what I'm saying?
Wanna what?
No dick like your friend.
No. All this shit whack out here.
You sure?
This shit whack out here.
So what you telling me is you had a bad experience
Everybody always had a bad experience.
out here though. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
On spring break.
Yes.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
He needs some milk.
What's your goal? Come on, tell me your goal.
My goal is to get 2 white girls. Hey man.
Give us a passionate example of your dirty talk.
Oh my god, fuck me, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Y'all know I gotta get him. My boy got on the walk with me, Lord. Yeah, walk with me. He don't even care about it. I said, walk with me, Lord. Walk with me.
He needs some milk.
Listen up. It says plead the fifth. When did you last have? I don't know what this says right here, so then I know what it says.
When did you last have sex? Sex?
That's not what does it say?
Sex.
That's not what it says, bro.
It says sex, bro.
It says what?
You have sex.
It's who?
When's the last time you had sex?
I don't know. It was probably like 2019.
All right, follow me here. If you're pretty and I'm cute, together we'd be...
Butte.
What?
All right, follow me here. If you're pretty and I'm cute, together we'd be...
Butte.
You stupid.
Pretty cute.
Okay, right.
We out.
I let somebody suck a jelly bean out my booty hole.
Describe your sex life with a song title.
Throw baby.
Oh, wow.
We outside. We outside.
Is it me? I ain't done it. Why we not outside?
You stupid.
What you talking about? Talking about we not outside. We not outside.
I don't need these to say I need you in my life.
Left.
How y'all doing? Y'all outside? Y'all outside?
Y'all outside.
That nigga said we not outside. Fuck on him. Tripping.
Hey, the freakiest thing I want to do. What you say? Huh? Ooh, I do want to do that while you playing. I definitely do.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Damn. I want to have sex in the pool.
Sex in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, that could be like the penthouse. You know what I'm saying? Penthouse pool.
What you got a penthouse? Right. Do you have a penthouse?
Help me, nigga. Help me.
Do you guys want to get naked?
No.
Denied.
A 10, cause he be rolling. His eyes be rolling to the back of his head when I do it. When I do it, his eyes be rolling to the back of his head.
Toes be curling?
Yes.
Toes be curling?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, balls and all.
You got southern hoes. Harry?
Oh, hell no.
Shit, yeah, of course.
A woman's supposed to throw hands. It's the other way around.
So, if you want me to approach you?
I didn't know you were trying to get in contact with me. Wait a minute.
My boy over there. You know what I'm saying? Over there. He said what's taking you so long to come to him.
He don't come 3 times in my father's bar.
A few minutes later.
I didn't know you were trying to get in contact with me.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Like 2 hands twisted, of course.
Balls and all.
You cannot suck dick and not include the balls. It's impossible.
Oh wow.
If you sucking dick and not including the balls, you're not doing it right.
Look your vlog, bitch. Because I try to be your vlog. Put me on Instagram at the
No, that's bad. That's bad.
Gotcha, bitch.
She got it.
Got you at the light. Rich, I like her.
Father Dippo. Father.
Father Dippo. Father. Holy. Outside a light. Humbuckler.
Is it true that you slept with someone on the first night?
I have before.
Oh wow.
Yes, right after I busted nut, call a yelling.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just.
Hey! Only for water, man. My get wet.
I'm gonna go with you.
Me? We going up, boy. So the snake feel like?
A penis.
How?
It feel like dick.
Really big dick.
The veins was coming out the snake and everything.
It be moving and stuff. Like scrunching up, like when dick finna nut.
Ooh. I remember that feeling.
Alright, so
Because we're doing the room inspection, I just want to make sure you got your room clean, your trash taken out, bathroom.
Did you clean carpet?
Carpet.
I'm just good at clothes.
So I'm going to take that as a no. I'm going to write it down. Room 410. All right.
That's what we do it.
It's going to be an F, Haley.